Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to connect with your child through CUED. First, you will need to have your child download the app in either the App Store or Google Play and set up an account using their high school. Click on the human icon at the bottom of the page, scroll to the bottom of that page, and select Parent. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a plus sign. That's what you'll click, and it will allow your child to enter your email address that you want to be associated with your parent account. Please make sure that that email address is not associated with any other type of CUED account. You can enter multiple email addresses at this point to connect with both parents and or a guardian. You also will be able to connect with more than one child using that email address. Now, check your email. Be patient, it may take a few minutes and it may go to your spam folder. Here's mine in my inbox. I will click on that and open it up, and there are instructions on how to download the app through the App Store or Google Play for either your iPhone or Android device. I've already set up an account, so I'm going to open that up. I will select Register. Then I will select Parent and Register at the bottom. This is where I will enter the email address that my child used to invite me into their CUED app. Once you've entered the name, click the white space on your phone, and that will get rid of the keyboard. You'll see Register, click that, and now you're ready to engage with your child. First, click the human icon at the bottom of the page. This will confirm that you are connected with your child through CUED. Click List Children, and you will see there is Karen Barlow. So I am now connected with Karen Barlow in the app, and I can push messages to them for either college, work-based learning opportunities, or scholarships. This is a work-based learning opportunity. By selecting the envelope in the upper right-hand corner, I can send a message to my child letting them know I think they might be interested in this. And I'll hit send. Thank you for participating and partnering with your school and your child to help in their career development.